Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Graybeard Garage. My name is Matt, and today we're out here by the chicken coop, and we're going to be doing just a real quick repair here because this latch will not let us close the door smoothly. So I'm actually going to do a real quick repair, and we're going to route out and recess this latch. So I'll show you how we're going to do that. And that way, hopefully this door will close easier than what it does right now. So, come along for the ride. Alright guys, so you can see the latch here. Let me just show you. See, it doesn't want to close easily, and then we get the chickens stick their head out. I don't want them to get their heads caught in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull the latch off inside, and then we're going to route that down, and hopefully we'll be able to get it to where it sits flush. Hopefully they don't all run out of here, because I'm pretty sure that's what they want to do. So, put some garbage cans to block their way out. So hopefully they won't. They won't try and get out too quick. What are you monsters doing, huh? Yeah? Let's take this off. Alright guys, so let me take you over here. And so I just marked it out here with a pen, and then we're gonna route this out right here, and hopefully that'll work. It doesn't need to be much, so just enough. So actually what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this and this here, right? And I'm just gonna adjust this. Well, let's see. That's probably about it right there. We'll just tighten that back up. Sorry. So you can see where we're at. And then we'll route this out, and we'll do it freehand as best as we can. So, come on ladies, let's get back. You goofballs. Let me bring you in here and see how well we can see here. All right. Hot girls, come on. Let's go. Everybody in. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Glasses. Glasses, glasses. Gotta have glasses. Alright. Let's see what damage we can do here. Alright, so clearly it's not perfect, but it may help a little. I think I might actually go just a smidge deeper. Let's see. Loosen this up. To accommodate the screw heads that are kind of sticking up too. So let's see what happens. All right, so I actually have a nail right there that I need to try and get out. So I'm gonna go grab something and pull that nail out, and then I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I got that nail out. So let's go ahead and... Oh yeah, that's much better. All right, so let me see where this sits. Come down a little. Okay, so now we've got that done. I'm gonna go ahead and put the screw back in. Let's see how we look. See how it shuts. Oh man, look at that. You know, I think I might actually come down just a little bit lower. Be it actually. Americana, you little sneak. Come on. Come on. Get in there. Get in there. All right, let's see how this thing closes now. So much better. Wow, nice and easy. All right, so there's the result. I know it's ugly and it's rough, but whatever. It works. Keeps these goofballs in. All right. All right, guys, well, that was just a real quick fix for this door jamb here because it was not closing easy. We were having to like pick it up and shove it in there, and the girls were putting their heads out, and it was just not a real good situation. So it's now fixed. This is now recessed in, and hopefully that works now for the time being. So guys, thanks for checking us out today on Graybeard Garage. My name is Matt. Remember, you can do anything if you put your mind to it. We'll see you here next time. Until then, take care.